We brush every single day, but here's the uncomfortable truth. Most of us are not cleaning our teeth properly. The inner surface, the gum line, and the back morals are often missed. And it's not because we don't try, it's because traditional toothbrushes are flat and our teeth are not. Hey everyone, welcome back to Asad Tech and Review YouTube channel. Today I'm testing something completely different, the Heezer TX1. A three-sided electric toothbrush designed to clean three tooth surfaces at the same time. It promises 360-degree coverage, shorter brushing time, and better cleaning, especially in areas people usually miss. Let's take a look what's inside the box. First thing out is the toothbrush handle. This is the main unit with the three-sided wraparound head design. It's lightweight, feels comfortable to hold. Underneath we have a Type-C charging cable. It's USB-C, so charging should be easy and fast. Inside the box, there's also a brush head already included with the little box. This is the three-sided brush head that surrounds your teeth from all sides. It's ready to use right out of the box. What makes it stand out is its brush head. It uses a three-sided retractable brush head that wraps around the tooth, cleaning in front, back, and top surface simultaneously. The brush head features a precision retractable modular system, allowing it to automatically adapt to different tooth spacing and thickness for consistent contact. The bristles are angled at 20 degrees, allowing them to penetrate deep into tooth gaps and along the gum line that most people miss. Brushing pressure is scientifically controlled at 150 grams, delivering strong plaque removal while protecting enamel and gums. This results in 360-degree coverage and up to 75% higher brushing efficiency, especially for inner tooth surface. It equipped with ultra-fine 0.01mm bristles and patented technology. It thoroughly cleans tiny gaps and hidden spots for healthier gums. Starting with the design, the Heezer TX1 has a clean, minimalist look and a solid premium hand feel. On the right side, you'll find one button. This is the power button. Below the button are LED indicators showing the three cleaning modes, allowing you to adjust intensity based on your comfort level. The build quality also extends to the connection points. The brush head locks in securely and handles high-frequency vibration without loosening. This is where the Heezer TX1 stands out. Using a three-sided toothbrush is different, so here's the correct way to use it. First, align the brush head with the logo on the handle and press gently until it clicks into place. Apply toothpaste directly into the corner of the bristles. This helps keep the paste stable before brushing begins. Press the power button to turn it on. Then you can select your preferred cleaning mode by pressing power button. Place the brush gently over your teeth. There's no need to scrub aggressively. Slowly guide the brush from your front teeth towards your molars, following the gum line. Spend around 15 seconds per section, repeating both sides of your mouth. The built-in 2-minute auto shut-off ensures proper brushing time, while 30-second pauses remind you to move to the next area. After brushing, cleaning the device is simple. With the toothbrush still turned on, rinse the brush head under running water to flush out debris. Then press and hold the power button to turn it off and allow it to air dry. The TX1 is IPX7 waterproof, so rinsing is completely safe. For charging, it comes with a Type-C charging cable. At the bottom of the brush, you will find a Type-C port covered with a rubber cap. You can easily charge it through this Type-C port. One full charge lasts up to 90 days, making it ideal for travel. The Heezer TX1 isn't just an electric toothbrush, it's a smarter brushing system. With its three-sided retractable design, controlled pressure, and angled ultra-soft bristles, it delivers better cleaning with less effort. It has FDA certification for safe, reliable, and convenient oral care. If you're ready to upgrade your brushing routine, check the link in the description or pinned comment for latest pricing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.